Hello everyone, this is Harsha Gajbhiye. I am from Lakhani, Maharashtra. I had done my Bachelor of Engineering in Civil. It's very difficult for me to switch my career in IT field. Then I came to hear about Evision in Naukri.com, where I used to ping the Nidhi ma'am for detailed information about the Evision. She gave me the total information. Then I started doing coaching in Evision. Within 45 days I completed my coaching there. They provide the various type of courses such as Linux administration, CCNA, networking, Windows administration, ITIL and cyber security like courses, where they give the proper idea and technical skills to how to deal with that, and they give the proper knowledge with theoretically and practically. I completed my course within 45 days, and it's a very difficult task to complete that course. And Vision is such a type of platform which gives the idea to easily to how to deal with that. Then I got a place in IT Source Technology Private Limited, which is in Thane location. I got 3 LPA of package in that. I am very much happy now. Also, I would like to thanks to Evision who provides such a nice opportunity to me. Thank you.